Hi lovelies, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time clicking on my video, thank you so much for clicking, and please make sure you watch to the end of this video. So when we wake up in the morning, the first thing we do is to go and fetch water from this well that is at the backyard. After getting water from the well, we start boiling water. As you can see, I've already made the fire. Then I decided to help my younger sister to sweep the compound. She had already swept some parts of the compound before I said to take over from here. Guys, today is Nkwo market day. Is a 4-day market day. So on this day we are preparing to go to the market. My mom is a seamstress, but this is a side hustle. She sells in the market to add to her income. So guys, if you want to know what my mom sells in the market and everything, keep on watching this video and don't forget to subscribe, click on the like button, and also leave a comment in the comment section. Okay, at this point my sister was done fetching water from the well, so I helped her to carry these two because she had already carried the white bucket inside. So I helped her to carry these remaining two buckets. Then after this, I went ahead to brush my teeth. So I went ahead to open this fowl house. Not like opening it, I just raised up the trampoline we use in covering them at night. My mom always say we should do this at night. I don't know why. So I went inside to sweep the house. The room is a bit dark. I couldn't film it. So at this point, I was done sweeping, and this is me packing out the dirt. So lovely. I just wanted to show you guys where my mom works. This is a space in the house where she does her sewing. As you can see, these are the materials that she's currently working on, and this is her sewing machine. She had a problem in her shop. Something happened, so she had to come back to the house, though she's still looking for another shop. She have not yet gotten, so she had to stay at home and still do her sewing. So this is her workspace. At this point, the water has boiled, and let me go and take my bath and get ready. I'm done taking my bath and it's time to arrange my hair. I'm on a hair growth challenge, guys. I want to grow out my hair more longer in 2024, and that is why I first of all put my hair in these mini braids so that I don't have to be styling my hair every day or put attachment that will cut my hair off. So I use olive oil to moisturize my hair, as you can see. I decided to style my hair in double bun. I don't know how it's going to be, but let's just continue and see how it's going to be. Okay, so I went ahead to also pack this other half into a bun. this is the edge control we'll be using. It's called Kaima edge control. That is the one I'm using currently. And this is my edge brush. This is the brush I use in styling my edges. An old toothbrush. I'm not a professional at laying my edges. I keep saying that because I don't know when I'm going to learn. So this is the latest style I can do. I know that this edges, this thing I'm doing is not going to last. I'm just doing it for doing sake. So I applied my lip gloss on my lips to keep them moisturized and girly. So this is the final look of this hair. What do you think? Is it nice? Is it cute? Let me know in the comment section, okay? And this is the full outfit check. As you guys can see, I'm a very slim girl. I look way younger than my age, guys. So my mom at this point is done tying her goose on her bike, and I'm to enter this bike, but my skirt won't let me, so I went to change to this trouser. I went to change to this trouser so that I'll be able to enter the bike freely and not having to show my thighs and everything, you understand? So that's it. Right now we are at the market. These are some of the cartons that my mom came with. That's our table over there, so she went back home to go and get the remaining stuffs at home. And that's my POS banner over there. This is the look of the market. This is not a daily market. This market happens every 4 days. It happens every 4 days. And guys, meet my little friend. This is the little friend I met in the market. My little baby friend. Look at the way she's looking at the camera. We actually forgot the nylon we use on this table, so that's why I've not started shading anything, because my little sister went home to get it. Our house is not too far from here though. So at this point, we are done sampling the whole stuffs. This is the area we sell soya beans, sugar, pepper, salt, and the likes. As you can see, this is just what we sell on this table. Then I'll also show you guys the other part of the business, which is the soap side. This is where we sell all kinds of soap. In this market, you can sell cartons of goose every time, unlike when you are in a shop. That is why this market is good if you're starting up a business, or if there is, and it's called a bush market. If there is a bush market around you, go there and start up your business, okay? Just carry your whole goods and go at once, and you're going to see your money. If you did not sell your whole goods, at least you're going to sell quarter or half of your goods, because people come from different places to come and shop here. So at this point, we are back home. And I'm trying to make the fire so that I'll be able to cook. I'm making okwa. Yes, I'm going to be putting the English name or the other name on the screen for you guys to see, but I'm making okwa. So this is me making the fire, okay? Here is the okwa, and I'm washing it to remove all the dirt and sand, because this one has a lot of sand. I don't know the woman who got it from, she's not even careful at all. There are lots of sand in this one. So I had to wash it for like 3 times so that I can get all the sands out before cooking them. It is very very late in the night and I'm making this video with just my phone camera with the flashlight at the back, no other source of lightning. So I've set the okra on the fire and I'm about to add potash. This is going to help it to soften fast, but guys, it didn't work. It didn't work. This food spent hours on this fire before we ate. Before we ate, it was already around 9. Something I started preparing around 7. We ate it around 9 or even to 10. I can't remember, but this food took a lot of time. My mom said that the woman might have washed or made her okra with alum. I don't know, maybe she washed it with alum. That is why it is so strong that the potash couldn't even soften it. So I'm cooking this thing with onion, pepper, sauce, red oil and maggi. That's it. Okra doesn't need so much thing to cook with. It doesn't even need a lot of things, but if you want to put a lot of things, that's left for you. So right now it is done and this is me eating mine. It is not that soft the way I want it, but I couldn't wait any longer, so I had to just bring it down and dish out the food. Thank you so much guys for watching to the end of this video. If you really like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, leave a comment in the comment section, so and also turn on your post notification bell so that you get notified whenever I drop a new video. See you in my next one. Okay, bye.